Hey guys, I'm going to give you a better understanding of the mean value theorem. Earlier my colleague explained to you the Rolle's theorem, so I'll just add on to that. Pretty much what it says is if f is continuous on the closed interval ab and differentiable on the open interval ab, then there exists a number c in the interval ab such that f prime of c equals f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. Pretty much this is the slope, but it's explained this way. So in order to make you guys understand this better, I drew a little drawing right here. It's the mean value theorem is pretty much the same as the Rolle's theorem, except f of a doesn't have to equal f of b. And you end up, for the 2 points, you end up just getting the mean slope, which gets you the answer. So let me just erase this real quick so I have some room to give you an example. So the example that I'll use, just an easy one so you guys can understand it. Alright, so the first step, same thing as the Rolle's theorem, is we have to see if it's continuous. So obviously, you look at this, first thing that pops out, it's a polynomial. So of course, it's continuous, so yes. So that's the first step. Next thing, let's see if it's differentiable. So we differentiate it, and it ends up being 2x. And we look at this the same way we look at this one right here, and it's a polynomial, so of course it's continuous, which means differentiable. So yes. So those are the first 2 steps. Instead of plugging in the 2 numbers and them having to be equal, like the Rolle's theorem, we're just going to plug them in and see what value they give us. They don't have to be the same. So f of -2, plug it in, ends up being 4. Other one, f of 1, you plug it in, ends up being 1. See, obviously these aren't the same, but that doesn't matter. So what we're going to do is we're going to plug it into the formula. Well, I erased it. I'll write that down again. Alright, stop right there. Stop.